Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. We inherited this giant bar, which we like. We use it for parties outside, but it's so hard to move. So my husband came up with a solution to buy these 900-pound capacity set of 4 adjustable wheeled casters. So he's going to show you here how to install these quickly while I tell you a little bit about them. So first of all, they were super easy to install. Once you read the directions, you just went ahead and put hole marks on there with a marker, used the drill to drill the holes, and then attached the casters with the screws that come with it. This is a really inexpensive solution. So once these are on, then you go ahead and you put the wheels on, and I'm going to show you what it's like to move this in a minute. These casters allow for a 360-degree movement. This is me pushing it by myself. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. And this is how easy they are to put up and down. We love these. Great solution. We think you will too. Highly recommend.